Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can fix that your iPhone slow down after update iOS 26. Lot of iPhone user facing this kind of issue. So in this video I will show you how you can fix that. So basically sometime when you update your iPhone to the latest iOS, iPhone goes to slow down because iPhone preparing your software in backend. So if you update your iPhone to iOS 26 and you are feeling that your iPhone goes slow down, so in this video I'm giving you some tips so you can easily fix that. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on general option. You can see a person screen right now. Tap on iPhone storage. Okay, make sure you have enough space in your iPhone after update iOS 26. So if you don't have any space in your iPhone, make some space and your iPhone working well and it's working fast. So if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. By do that simple step, you can easily fix that your iPhone slow down issue. So if that method is also not working and you're still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution, also open your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below. Okay, and you can see a person screen right now showing here background app refresh. Tap on that. Okay, and turn off all app that running in the background. So by that simple step you can easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working and you're still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone connected any VPN. If your iPhone is connected to any VPN, just remove the VPN. To check the iPhone VPN, open iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below and scroll down again. You can see appears on screen VPN and device management. Tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen right now. This iPhone not connected any VPN. So if your iPhone connected with any VPN, just remove the VPN and your iPhone working well. So by do that 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that your iPhone goes slow down after update iOS 26. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.